At AC Pros, we specialize in providing top-tier furnace services. Whether you live in Bullhead City, Golden Valley, Kingman, or Lake Havasu City, our expert technicians are just a call away to ensure your home stays warm and comfortable, especially during the colder months. Our range of furnace services includes routine maintenance, emergency repairs, and complete system installations. We service all types of furnaces, be it gas or electric. And our after-hour emergency services mean we're always available whenever you need us. Routine furnace inspections are crucial for your safety and the efficiency of your heating system. Manufacturers recommend annual inspections to prevent potential safety issues like carbon monoxide exposure and gas leaks. At AC Pros, we go beyond a simple checkup. Our thorough maintenance service includes checking your entire furnace system component by component for optimal operation. If you're experiencing issues with your furnace, don't hesitate to contact us. Our team of courteous and knowledgeable technicians is ready to provide you with the best emergency furnace repair services in Mohave County. Does your furnace need to be serviced? We provide the best emergency furnace repair service in your city. Typically, manufacturers who make the furnaces recommend having them inspected once a year. Should you need a new furnace, we also offer complete system installation services. With AC Pros, you can expect professional, reliable services that prioritize your satisfaction and comfort. Contact us today at 92875-31587.